Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell a recipe of Quail or Indian traditional kada kolumbu for children with chest phlegm. The ingredients which I am going to focus on are the things which I am going to mash for the paste. Okay, first thing goes as onion, garlic, fresh ginger, turmeric, omum or ajwain seed, cumin seed or siragam, or a snuff or perunjeeragam, coconut, clove, cinnamon, cardamom, coconut pieces, tomato. All these things are mashed into a paste, and these ingredients has to be well mashed, and you have to take gingerly oil for the mashed paste, fry it, and then these ingredients are made into a paste like this as follows. And you see, I'm just adding all these birds. Some 4 or 5 birds of quail or kada is enough, and this serves as a great purpose for chest phlegm, urinary infections, kidney stones, even for diabetes. And finally, we garnish some coriander at the last stage of the boil. So, in nutshell, whatever the chest phlegm may be for the young children or old people, this serves to be a phlegm migrator from the lungs to the intestine, and so your phlegm gets to be broken down, and this serves as a highly medicinal gravy in South Indian traditional families. And as we've left all these age-old practices, so many ailments are cropping with the children, like pneumonical fever and chest phlegm and congestion. So kindly follow these instructions, okay? And I'll give the measure or quantity of all these ingredients in my description box. Thank you, friends, and relish this kada kolumbu, okay, for chest phlegm migration, and long term congested phlegm will get to be broken down. Thank you.